Big Blizzard, the Gem, second round Famdam Championship Tournament. Which one of these guys will move on to the Sweet 16? That's a big deal. Now we're getting closer. Both of these guys look good in first round. Let's see which one of these guys can make it to the Sweet 16. Will it be Big Blizzard or will it be the Gem? This Big Blizzard guy looking pretty good right now. Ooh, big splash. Ooh. But the Gem is known for his comebacks. He's Big Blizzard the STF. Well, the Gem's not looking too good right now in the second round against just Big Blizzard. Oh. It's almost all she wrote for the Gem. And again. Ooh. It's Big Blizzard. Ooh. Ooh. This Big Blizzard's impressing me now. Oh, reversal by the Gem. Now this is... Ooh. Could this be one of the Gem's comebacks? I don't know. The Gem's definitely taking a beating right now. And Big Blizzard defeats the Gem and moves on to the Sweet 16. He wins the Burning Hammer. This Big Blizzard guy, he's impressing me.